Welcome back. The true power of a Pandas series, beyond a simple number py array, is its ability to use meaningful, custom index labels. In this lecture, we will learn how to assign non-numeric labels to our data, making data retrieval much more intuitive. 1. Creating series with custom indices. To assign custom labels, you pass a list of labels to the index argument in the pd.series constructor. These labels can be strings, dates, or other meaningful identifiers. This allows us to retrieve data using a label that directly describes the information, like a dictionary key. Two, accessing elements by label index. Once custom indices are set, you can retrieve elements by passing the label string directly in the square brackets. This is much more robust than relying on integer positions, as the data remains labeled even after sorting or restructuring. You can also retrieve multiple items by passing a list of labels. 3. Accessing elements by position index. Even with custom labels, the series retains its underlying zero-based integer positioning. You can still access elements using the numerical index, and this method is necessary for slicing by position. However, it is generally better practice to use the label index for accessing specific label data points. To summarize, custom indices turn numerical arrays into self-describing data objects. Our next lecture 36.06, Series of Strings. See you there.